How can you identify an electrical overload before it's too late? Imagine walking into a room and noticing flickering lights or a strange buzzing sound. These small signs could be warning you about an electrical overload. An overload happens when a circuit carries more current than it was designed to handle. This excess current can cause wires to heat up, damage appliances, or even start a fire. Recognizing these signs early can save your home and keep everyone safe. One of the most common signs of overload is when circuit breakers keep tripping. Circuit breakers are safety devices that cut off power when the current gets too high. If your breaker trips often, it's a sign that something is pushing the circuit beyond its limit. Lights flickering or dimming when you turn on multiple appliances at once is another clue. This indicates the circuit is struggling to supply enough power. You might also hear buzzing or sizzling sounds near outlets or switches, which suggest excessive current flow. Check the outlets and switch plates for warmth or discoloration. Overloaded circuits generate heat, which can cause these parts to become warm or even change color. Sometimes, you might notice a burning smell or see scorch marks, which are clear signs of overheating. Electrical devices may also slow down or stop working properly if they are on an overloaded circuit. If you feel a tingling or shock when touching outlets or switches, it could mean there is an electrical fault or overload. To get a clearer picture, professionals use tools like clamp meters and multimeters. Clamp meters measure the current flowing through a wire without disconnecting it. If the reading exceeds the circuit's rated capacity, usually 15 or 25 amps in homes, that's a red flag. Thermal imaging cameras can spot hot spots on wiring and connections, revealing areas under stress. Voltage drop detectors monitor the voltage along wires. Significant drops suggest overloads. Load monitoring devices give real-time data on how much power each circuit consumes, helping identify spikes early. Protective devices like circuit breakers and ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to trip automatically if current exceeds safe levels. These devices act as both detectors and protectors. To prevent overloads, engineers recommend calculating the total power used on a circuit with the formula. Power in watts equals voltage in volts times current in amps. Keep the load below 80% of the circuit's rated capacity to avoid overheating. Regular inspections are essential. Using clamp meters and thermal imagers periodically can catch issues before they become dangerous. If an overload is detected, redistributing appliances to different circuits or upgrading wiring and breakers to higher ratings can help. Proper load management and maintenance are key to safe power systems. In short, watch for warning signs like flickering lights, warm outlets, or frequent breaker trips. Measure current and temperature with the right tools. Understand your circuit's limits and stay within safe load levels. Use protective devices and schedule regular checks. These steps, based on solid electrical principles, help prevent overloads from turning into hazards.